Hi everyone. As I was editing our syllabus so that there was no Flipgrid requirement for the Blackboard discussion posts, there were some other things that I noticed that needed to be rectified. So I wanted to go through the syllabus as it is updated now as of February 25th, 2023. So what you'll notice in the new version is that I've highlighted in pink some key changes to due dates. The first changes are noticeable in the discussion about the Blackboard discussion posts. Okay, so you'll notice now that there are no requirements for Flipgrid. However, if you do want to use Flipgrid for your discussion board posts or a recording of some kind or images or a PowerPoint, you're welcome to do that. I also see here that I need to include the dates of the asynchronous discussions as well, and I have those right here. So I'm adding those in, and I'll also highlight these in that pink color so that that stands out when you look through the syllabus. So that's change number 1. Now when we come into the multimodal concept builder section, you'll see I've updated the dates for the draft for feedback. And so you can begin to turn your drafts in March 12th or March 26th. The sooner you turn the draft in, the sooner you'll get the feedback for that draft. So for those, I'll return feedback as they are received. So first come, first serve for feedback. Then moving down into the capstone handbook project, I've also updated the dates accordingly here, and these match the due dates that are already included on the schedule. So I noticed that there was some misalignment with how I had those situated. So the outline and plan for your capstone project will be due April 3rd through April 9th. And again, the reason why there's a range there is because you can take up until April 9th to turn it in. The sooner you turn it in, the sooner you'll get feedback. So first come, first serve on that as well. And then we'll start our meetings for the capstone project on April 3rd, and that will go through May 7th. This does not mean that you cannot schedule with me beforehand. I'm happy to meet anytime to discuss either the capstone multimodal concept builder or the handbook assignment at any time. And so then moving into the schedule. So the error that I noticed was that we were missing a week 7, March 6th through March 12th. So this was a larger error, and I apologize. I don't know what happened there. So this actual week was not included on the syllabus or within the syllabus originally. So nothing too great has changed here. You'll see week 7 and week 9. I've just separated them out a little bit. So I've taken off the research article review that was due, that would have originally been due this week, March 6th through March 12th, and I've pushed that back to March 26th. So you'll see that that's your only reading for the week after spring break. This week after spring break, you and I will also meet individually based on your midterm reflections, which will be due Sunday, the 12th here, okay? So those I would like turned in before spring break. However, you can take the week after spring break to still work on that multimodal concept builder draft. So that multimodal concept builder draft can either be turned in before spring break, which would be Sunday the 12th, or after spring break, which is Sunday the 26th, or any time in between those dates. So if you want to turn it in between March 12th and March 26th, no problem. Okay, so this right here was the most significant change simply because I forgot about March 6th through March 12th, which is the week before spring break. Now, the last thing I wanted to point out is that your multimodal concept builders will be due May 10th, and that's the same for the handbook assignment as well. You can have more. Okay, so if there's any questions about any of the changes that I made to the syllabus, I'd ask for you to email me at kara.monaco@cortland.edu. Or you can ask Kara in the discussion board forum on Blackboard. Okay, thanks everybody, and I appreciate your patience as I worked out some of those issues. Take care.